Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with a new one to show you how you can do that, just to have a little bit more space. After that, just hold for a while the screen of your device and click to the widgets icon. Now you can see here all the available applications which widgets you can add to your device screen. For example, we can see here that we have two different just calendar tabs here. More 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Google Chrome. So each of the app have just different types of the widgets. For example, let's just add the calendar. We can go with the calendar schedule or with the regular one. So let's add the schedule. Just hold it for a while and drag it. For example, here we can resize this widget if you want. So just hold it and make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple to do. We can move this widget here also on the screen. Just hold it and drag. Or we can move the widget between the screens, or also we can create new screens for the widget. As you can see, that's so simple to do. And if you want to remove it, just hold it for a while and drag it here to the app section. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.